Okay, so we will now start our, actually this will be our parang pinaka first lesson natin ngayong second grading. So last week we ended our first grading no through periodical exam. So dito naman ngayon magsisimula ang ating second grading, no? So tapos na tayo sa first grading. So if ever na kung ano man yung mga pinagagawa natin nung nakarang first grading, so at kung may sasubmit pa o last na yung last time no nung nakaraan. So dito po sa ating values, growing in values 9 ay dito tayo mag-start no sa lesson 3, unit 2 pala, unit 2 becoming an empowered citizenry. So lesson 3, exercising shared participation. Okay, loading. Wait lang po. Ayan, loading siya. Naku, loading. Ayan. So again, lesson number 3, exercising shared participation. So uh, this will be found on page 71 of our ebook. Okay? So, ano na natin to? I-leave na natin yung page 72. So, dito tayo mag-start sa let's discuss on page 73. So, all you have to do is to read the selection until dito po sa ano po, dito sa page 75. Okay? So, yan po siya. So, dito sa activity 1 natin, dito sa page 76, so all we have to do, instead of group work siya, so individual work po siya. Okay? So, hindi na ninyo kailangan ng iba pa yung classmate, but instead, ay dito po siya papatak, no? As individual work. Okay, so having refined its concept of participation and volunteerism based on the lesson, so you have to do the following. Kung applicable naman siya, pero kung hindi, edi wag na lang. Okay, so number 1, ayan, so those who have rated themselves 4 and 5, so identify at least 3 insights from the lesson that will inspire them to sustain your excellent participation that makes you useful citizens of the Philippines. So, yun yung number 1. Number 2, kung ang na-rate mo naman ay 2 or 1 sa sarili mo, so you have to identify at least 3 insights from the lesson that will make them understand your lack of interest in participation. So you have to rate yourself first. Okay. So those who have rated 3 insights that will help you understand the way why they are lukewarm o yung 50-50 kumbaga. So what are the ideas that you have discovered? Ayan, yun po siya. And then ito po is activity 2. So research individual work. So you have to choose one person who has done volunteer work. So sa tingin nyo sa inyo, sa paligid nyo, sa community nyo, no, or kakilala ninyo na gumagawa ng volunteer work. So kahit isa lang. So you are free to choose a volunteer who works abroad or within his her own country. So you have to summarize the volunteer work of that person and to whom which he or she is involved in. So you have to identify your talent, his or her talent, skill, and personal attitude that made him or her useful in voluntary work. So, how those personal attributes help that person? Okay? So, kung may kinabibilangan siya na group, no, kung papaano siya tawag dito, kung papaano siya kasama sa tinatawag natin na volunteer work, o i-describe niyo rin siya. Okay? So, give at least one important insight you have learned from his or her experiences. So, you have to give also your insights through a meaningful original quotation or catchy phrase. Okay, so use the space or use intermediate pad na lang, okay, para hindi kayo mahirapan. So that's activity number 2. So activity 3. So that is also an individual work. So so during the remaining months of this school year, choose a form of service where you can volunteer your time and talent in any of the following sectors. So pwede kayong it's either sa bahay nyo kung ayaw nyo pa lumabas, sa school, kung total pwede naman na kayo lumabas, o kaya sa community. So number one, you have to select your sector. Home ba, sa school, or sa community. So identify the nature of the volunteer work. Okay, so you have to identify that and then explain your choice. So number three, you have to identify your talent, skill, and personal attributes that will help you fit in the volunteer work you have chosen to do. So identify nyo kung ano yung sa tingin nyo ay kung ano yung talent nyo o skill nyo na may papakita nyo doon sa pinili nyo. And then number four, you have to prepare a simple calendar of activities that will show an organized plan of work. Okay? So, you have to, if you want to have an additional or extra paper, so po pwede naman. Okay, and then syempre, dyan tayo magtatapos sa personal pledge on page 78. Yan. So, stop sharing ko lang muna kasi